This video introduces how to use the Osmo Action Multifunctional Charging Handle. Osmo Action Multifunctional Charging Handle has a built-in 4900 mAh battery. When connected to Osmo Action camera, it can extend the operating time for the camera. The side of the charging handle features the power button, while the front has the quick switch button, C button, and shutter record button. The back features the USB-C charging port, 3.5mm TRS microphone input port, and the USB-C connector with a coiled cable. There are two 1/4-inch thread holes, one on the bottom of the handle and one on the left, allowing users to mount different accessories. Connect to camera. Press the release button on the USB-C port cover of the camera and slide it downward. Attach the charging port protector. Press down until the clips of the magnetic ball joint quick release adapter mount are firmly inserted into the quick release slots on the camera. Connect the USB-C connector of the charging handle to the USB-C port of the camera. Charging the camera. Press and hold the power button to power on the charging handle. After the charging handle is powered on, the camera will be charged automatically. The camera will indicate that it is being charged. Button features. When the charging handle is connected to the camera, the quick switch button on the shutter record button on the charging handle have the same functions with those on the camera. Press and hold the quick switch button to power on or off the charging handle. And press once to power on the camera or switch between shooting modes. Press the shutter record button once to take a photo or to start or stop recording. When the camera is in sleep mode, press once to start snapshot. Press the C button to switch between the front and back touchscreen when using single screen preview. Open the protective cover on the back of the charging handle. It is recommended to use the DJI 30-watt USB-C charger to charge the charging handle via the USB-C port. The status LEDs will flash and display the battery level during the charging process. Once the battery is fully charged, all the status LEDs will turn on. Connecting a microphone. The 3.5mm TRS microphone input port on the back of the charging handle supports connecting to a 3.5mm 3-stage microphone. Make sure that the charging handle has power when connecting to a microphone. Updating firmware. Connect the charging handle to the camera to update the firmware. The battery handle will be automatically updated to the latest firmware version when there is new firmware. During the updating process, all the status LEDs will flash quickly. Do not unplug the charging handle from the camera during the updating process. The prompt appears on the camera when the update is successful.